My daughter found the most amazing oven roasted vegetable recipe, which our family makes at least once, if not twice a week. And it's made with broccoli and cauliflower. The original recipe was all broccoli, but I make it with a mixture of both because I love the colors. We encourage the consumption of this family of vegetables called cruciferous vegetables because they're very high in anti-cancer agents, so they're protective of your health. And so here we've got this beautiful broccoli and cauliflower washed and made in small florets. And we've got a teaspoon of kosher salt. If you want less sodium, you can leave that out completely. And this is the beauty. We've got 5 cloves of finely minced garlic. And I love my garlic minced finely. And this is amazing fragrance, amazing flavor. And just an interesting fact about garlic, it has a compound called allicin, which is very heart healthy. We believe it helps lower cholesterol and can help lower your blood pressure as well. And then 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, probably the healthiest oil out there. It's high in monounsaturated fats, which again is very heart healthy. And then we just mix this all together. It will go in a 400-degree oven for around 7 minutes, depending on your oven, so be sure you check that. Halfway through the 14-minute baking time, we pull it out and do a light sprinkle of hot red pepper flakes again. How much is up to you. And then at the very end, a touch of lemon juice as the final flavor. So onto our pan. How easy is that? I love to take my scraper and get all the garlic out because that's the wonderful flavor. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven again for about 7 to 8 minutes, and we'll test it and then we'll finish it off. And into a 400-degree oven we go. So about halfway done. And we're gonna do, and the amount is up to you, but a light sprinkle of red pepper flakes. It just adds a nice little kick to this recipe. And back in the oven for the second half of cooking. And so after about 12 to 14 minutes, we are done. And if you use a knife, it's just very tender. You don't wanna overcook this. It gets dark and gets mushy. So the last step in this recipe is just about 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. So I'm gonna gently stir that lemon juice in, just so it's blended well. Isn't it beautiful? And again, all these heart-healthy cruciferous vegetables. And then onto that serving plate to make everybody very garlic and cruciferous vegetable happy.